In a world of rising prices, job uncertainty, and unpredictable markets, one question keeps many people up at night. How can I secure my financial future in such an unstable economy? If you've ever felt like your money disappears faster than you earn it, or you're constantly playing catch-up financially, then this video is for you. Stick around, because today we are breaking down practical proven strategies to protect your finances even when the economy isn't on your side. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. On this channel we talk about personal finance and we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started, shall we? First, you need to understand the economic reality if you want to secure your financial future. So let's be real. The economy doesn't wait for anyone. Prices rise, currencies fall, jobs get cut, and the truth is, most people aren't prepared. That's why your first step isn't panic, it's awareness. Track your spending, know where your money goes. Keep an eye on economic indicators like inflation and interest rates, not to scare you, but to guide your decisions. The next thing you can or should do after you have understood the economic reality is build a bulletproof budget. In an unstable economy, your budget is your financial armor. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt payoff or investments. But when time gets tough, you may need to shift to survival mode. Your needs 60%, your wants 10%, savings 30%, or any of the other budgeting methods we have talked about in the budgeting methods video. The link will be in the description box below. Cut or delay unnecessary expenses and focus on priorities. After your budget is taken care of, the next thing to consider is setting up your emergency fund. This one is very important if you want to secure your financial future. If you don't have an emergency fund yet, now is the time. It's your lifeline when life throws a curveball, like a job loss, medical bills, or a major repair. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Can't save big right away? No problem. Start small. Even saving $1 or 500 naira a day builds the habit. The goal is progress, not perfection. Then, diversify your income. In uncertain times, depending on a single income source is risky. If your job goes, your finances crumble. So how do you fix that? Diversification or diversifying your income. Here are a few side income ideas. Freelance your skills like writing, design, tech. Offer local services like tutoring, cleaning, delivery. You can sell products online or monetize a hobby. Multiple income streams equal more stability. Next, you then want to invest strategically and not emotionally. Unstable economy or not, investing is still a powerful tool to grow wealth if done wisely. Investing emotionally can cause you to lose your money. So, when investing, be aware of what you are putting your money into and don't blindly invest your hard-earned money. Also, be aware of what the economy is about at that time in order not to lose your money. Focus on long-term low-risk options like index funds, mutual funds, dividend-paying stocks. Avoid hype-driven trends or panic selling. Educate yourself before you invest or speak to a financial advisor. Skills are the new currency. Your skills are the new currency you spend or acquire. Here is a truth most people overlook. The most valuable investment is in yourself. In a shaky economy, jobs disappear, but skills don't. Learn high-demand skills that can earn you income from anywhere. Think tech, coding, data analysis, digital marketing, project management, financial literacy. Of course, these are not the only skills that can be acquired. It's just an example. There are many more skills. And the more skills you have, the more options you have. Live below or within your means. Living below or within your means isn't about deprivation. It's about freedom. When you stop chasing lifestyle upgrades and start working towards stability, you'll gain control. You should spend less than you earn and save before you spend. You should also protect your future over impressing others. Impressing others only take a ton of money out of your pocket. Sometimes it's money that you don't even have and you end up borrowing, and then you end up with massive debt, and then everything spirals out of control. You get my point. The economy may be unstable, but your financial future doesn't have to be. With the right mindset, smart habits, and a plan, you can build stability even in uncertain times. I have a video on the different methods of budgeting, as I said earlier, and also a video on how to build an emergency fund. I'll place the links in the description box below. These videos can help you understand these concepts better and apply them so that you can have a secure financial future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, the best time to build towards your future is now.